Welcome to Stock Designs, and in today's video I want to teach you guys how to create and generate charts and graphs using Inkscape. So once you have your canvas selected, just go into the extensions tab, click render, and what you're looking for is nice charts. Click on nice charts, and as you can see that we are still at the data tab. So the data tab is what we are inserting into the pie chart, so the data that we are comparing. And the labels tab, as you can see, you can change the font size, and the font color. So from the data tab, you can have data from file and upload a CSV file or direct input, which means you are gonna input the data manually. So as you can see, they even show you how to format it: apples 3, bananas 5, oranges 10, and pears 4. And then the labels, you can change the font size, the font, and the font color. And the chart type, as you can see, we have bar chart,